Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, I need to make two the same recordings, unfortunately, just because YouTube politics and so on, I would have to edit the video and so on, so I'd rather record two for two channels. For this channel, I want to say that we're at the end of coding book repair online, and it has its own YouTube channel. Now, I didn't create any special YouTube channel designated only for the right to repair. So videos about the right to repair, yes, these videos, for now they will be staying either on this channel or on the book repair online, but I'll try to stick to one. I need to just think it through. And I would like to tell you about the software which we've created for one customer, and that customer is actually he requested to create a software for personal trainers. Now we've done it, it's working. It's not working the way we would see it as an application, as a website and mobile and just as a web browser based, but we've created the way he wanted. So I've spoken with him and so on, and he wouldn't be able to pay without a decent promotion for this app as much as it would be required to pay to deliver it, because that's a custom built web application, and there's huge amount of hours to put in. Yes, so let's say if you would have a WordPress installed in 5 minutes or in even 10-15 minutes, yes, and you would have some added-ons. You wouldn't create such good software for personal trainer as we can build, because whatever we think, we create a mind map and we check all the pros and cons for each feature, and then we consult it with personal trainer 1, personal trainer 2, personal trainer 3, yes, and then we brainstorm ideas, and then we apply modifications to what need to be done and what need to be recreated maybe from scratch. So we went into the stage where we would like to create a software which, one, if somebody don't want to subscribe to us and have it on our own server and just pay monthly subscription, let's say £10 or something, then this person can buy one-off, yes, one-off, and then there's a support for certain extended period of time, like maybe up to half a year or 1 year or 3 months support. If they would need anything, they can ask for it. But if they would like to, after a year time, have an upgraded version, because new framework came out or new features came out and we just coded, because we plan to code it, yes, more and more. So then that person will have to buy an upgrade kit or upgrade on their own, or ask us to upgrade, yes, and pay extra. Whereas the people who subscribe, they don't pay anything. They always have up-to-date code and they always have the same kind of support, yes. So it's a pros and cons, there are people who like to have on their own, and there are people who can subscribe and have always up-to-date and the best support, yes. So that's up to everyone, but we would like to do it this way. The next thing is that when we create apps the way that we will be never told that we've done a crappy job. So yeah, excuse my language, it's late, it's 10 p.m. In less than 2 minutes. But what I want to say by that is that we want to build a good reputation, yes? So if we want to build a good reputation, we need to deliver the quality over quantity. Now what I mean by that is, in this case here, is that whatever we create, we need to stand for it, yes, that it is robust, and that's it. So when we say that the payment system is just bad, we have to create it the way that we will be satisfied with, yes, and then whoever will be using the software will be resting assured that it's spot on. So if you have any PTs, any personal trainers, which you know would benefit from this software, please let me know. That's why I'm creating this video, because the first people who will be taken with us to test it will be the people who let's say shape the future of this application, and whatever they will think will be vital, crucial, for this application, that will be implemented. I can show the features which we thought and we built that in. I brainstorm with this person, and this person even will, because this person partially paid but not paid like proper hours, just paid a bit for those hours, but we will put like 1,000 more, yes. So even that payment which was made, it will be refunded partially or fully if we can find customers for it and we can make profits, yes. So the person who owns that code right now and who can use it, it's fully functional software, he can use it, he can rent it to other people and profit from it, yes. But I said, look, it's no benefit for you to pay us for the coding. Let us rebuild this up, and do it the way we think it's best, and then let us rent it, and then I will be showing him, how many people subscribed, how many people, but not, not customer details, yes, I will blur it, but I mean, like a proper users with payments on Stripe, yes. So then we will be able to share that until it will go down to 0, and that will reach 0. We can tell him, look, that was your original idea, yes, so we don't want you to lose on that. So you've got always the software, you can always use it, you can always ask us for the upgrade as well, yes. And if those profits would be really huge, we can even put him some commission, if he will be willing to cooperate with us and develop this app further, yes, because that's the case. But it's a nice guy here, local guy, and hopefully this will work out. I do believe that if we can have those projects, like now the software for the PTs, yes, which will work on mobile devices and on the computers, if we will have Inte.Team, yes, another application, if we will have Book Repair Online, another application, if we will have all those softwares which we can share with you guys and you can benefit from it, and we can build the best features ever, like a top niche, yes, which we know we are 100% sure you can't get just by building on Wix or by building on WordPress, yes. We can imagine, you can think about it, and if we can do it, we will do it, yes. So custom build is always better, and we all know that custom build applications costing huge amounts of money because there is a huge amount of hours spent, whereas we don't want to charge people those huge amounts of money. We want to sub-rent them, and then we will have small money which we can use to sustain growth of this application, maintenance of this application, support of this application, yes. And then we can put £1 per month from every customer to fight for the right to repair, yes. So that's the thing. So that's a good positive thing. As you see, Book Repair Online, now this trainer, yes, personal trainer application. So if you can help us and you can find anyone, please ask them to use the contacts from Right to Repair, yes, with me, and I will be happy to show them demonstration of the existing application, and I will be happy to talk to them where we're going with the development and what they think would be the best for them, yes. So that's what I want to say here and now for you guys. Thank you for watching. I know this video is not about the repairs, I know this video is not about the Book Repair Online. I know this video is about Right to Repair, because I said we will be doing products and services so that we can fight for this right to repair, and everyone will be able to use it, because end clients of the Book Repair and the businesses which we will sign up with, yes, or signing up with right now, because we've got already some sign up, and clients of this personal trainer software and personal trainers, all of them can now subscribe and can have this £1 per month by using our products and services. Plus we get a whole contract with Blizzard Telecom, so we can have electricity bills, gas, so utility bills, yes, phones, broadband, landline for the businesses over the IP, VoIP as well. I've got one, I'm paying about £10 for it only. That's cheap, and you've got about 2,000-3,000 minutes or something, 2 or 3,000 minutes, or unlimited it is, but it is about that cap, let's say. What else? Yes, so you see, so we've got already some products and services, and we want to add them more and more and more. So please help us with those personal trainers if you know anyone. And that's it. Let's fight for the right to repair. Take care, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.